.9 Tony Osmani's Mr. Roboto. That is 6. Hope you're having a great day. If May 25th is your birthday, you're celebrating with Clouds Lane of Scorpions. We're going to hear No One Like You here in just a few minutes.
You'd think we were driving across the lake. Look at this. Over here.
Yes. Well, it's way over there. But yeah, that's just how much it's worth.
Okay. The trees, this doesn't even look the same. And the Lives house is completely gone. Holy crap. Okay, look, see, there's our yard. Okay. See the barn?
Yeah. All in?
No, it's this one. It's gone! It's freaking... That's our barn right there. And then our house was right here. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's gone. And see, okay, it's way up. Usually those trees right there, it's past those trees. The house is gone. And see that patch of little, I mean, this is where the trailer was. And then that patch over there, we had like a fire pit there, but that's it. That's our yard. Oh my god. Wow. Got to send this to Duncan. Okay, stop right there. I realize somebody's, but I don't care. Yeah, it's really high. Yeah, so this is the ramp used to be right here on the left. It doesn't look underwater. It looks like you can still dock. Well, I could be wrong about that. Yeah, it's underwater. So the dock's still there.